Today I want to introduce a research tool to facilitate your research. This is our CUSABIO website. In the website you can find the technical resources section, and here we provide the research tool part. So in this part you can find a lot of different tools. So today I will introduce a tool from the molecular biology tools. It's the DNA molecular weight calculator. So with this calculator, you can use this one to calculate the molecular weight of single or double-stranded DNA, and also this calculator supports the linear and the circular structures. So let me show you one example, and you can be familiar with this calculator. So in this part, you need to enter the DNA sequence. I have a sequence from my previous file. Let me copy and paste it to here. So see, you have the DNA sequence here, and you have multiple options that you can choose. So let me choose the single-stranded DNA and the linear DNA, and then click the molecular weight. So here's the result. The DNA molecular weight can be easily calculated and just in 1 second, and also we provide the details about the input strain. So as you see, the basis composition, like how many adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine, and also the total length of the DNA sequence that you input, and also even we have a breakdown summary about the contribution from A, T, G, C, different percentage. And also one thing I want to point out is that you can choose different options. So for example, if I change the single-stranded DNA to the double-stranded DNA, and also change the structure to circular DNA structure, and you calculate the molecular weight, you refresh it, the result will change. So it's really based on that what option you put it here. So by this calculator, you can so easy to get the molecular weight. Just paste the DNA sequence there and click, and then you will get the result. There are a lot of some informations about the basic idea, like how we calculate it, and also some other questions. So if you are interested about that, just go to the down part of the page and take a look. So hopefully you enjoy the using of this molecular weight calculator.